Want to show your mom how good of a cat you are? Stand up. There we go. Say, watch this, Katie. Look what a good boy I am. Oh, he's a good boy. Dang, he is. Get his butt trimmed. What a good boy. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Who's a good boy? Dandelion. Dandelion. Oh, who's so pretty? Look how pretty you are. Oh, what a good boy. Look at you. Oh, look at that booty. Oh. Want some more trimming? You little drama queen? You ready? You know Mama doesn't like it, huh? Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a pretty boy. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at that booty. Yeah. Don't fall off. Don't fall off the counter. Look at this booty. Yeah. There we go. Get your booty. Who's got a clean booty? Dandelion, you got a clean booty? You look so pretty. Yes, you do. Can you poop a hair? Don't fall off. You like that spot? Okay, we won't do that one. How about this? How about this? Oh, pretty boy. Oh, pretty boy. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Dinky, don't fall off the counter. He loves it, Katie. Look at him. Alright, I'm going to stop it now.